Okay, welcome to Place Academy. This is Simteka Anod. I'll be showing you how to install WordPress on a local server. The local server that I have downloaded and I've installed on my computer, it is the Wampserver. So I'll click on Wampserver. This is Wampserver 64-bit. You download based to the architecture of your computer. Okay. So as you are waiting for the local server to start on, here this is local server. None of three services running. That is showing the red icon. So we should wait for the green icon to be on. I'll open now where I have the Wampserver folder. This is the Wampserver folder where it is written WAMP64-bit down on the local disk. You see? Okay. So you open the folder, and then where to place your website. Even if you are programming something, you are creating your new website, you open this folder called the World Wide Website. So meaning that after opening that, so these are my projects that I have. These are my projects. So now today I'll be working with the WordPress. So let's check now. Okay, so you're waiting for the green icon. Sorry, you're waiting for the green icon here. You're waiting for the green icon. Okay, now this is the green icon that I'm talking about on the tray panel of the computer. We have the green icon, so meaning that the local server all services are running. So I'll click on that. After click on that, I'll go to localhost. Going to localhost, and then after that I'll see this is my home page. Then I'll show you the projects. Okay, so this is the home page of localhost and the Wampserver. So these are my projects. So we'll be installing WordPress. This is WordPress. So this I'll make. The first thing is to make the database in my PHP admin. So make the database in my PHP admin. So we'll go to PHP my admin here 5.11. So I'll click open on another link. So wait it for it to load. Okay, it has loaded. As you can see, we have this is the PH. So this is the username, root MySQL, that is standard query language for the PH my admin. So the password, there is a blank password. So click on go. So as we're waiting for this now, let's create the database. So I'll show you. So these are the database of my websites, the projects that I'm working on. So click on new, then database name here. You click on the database, that is WordPress. So I'll click create. So I'll create that. Okay. So now I'll go to WordPress website. So where it is written configure, this is configure file. Now this configure file, I'll open it. You can open in any format. So I'll open with the notepad. Instead of using the notepad plus, I'll use the notepad. This notepad, that's what I'll use. Instead of using the Visual Code or notepad plus, I'll use the notepad, the inbuilt notepad of the operating system. So I'll create the screen size. So where it is written database here, define the DB name. The database name, it is so I'll delete that. Then I'll paste WordPress, that is the database. Then username here. So create username here. That is root. So root is the username. So you write root. Okay. And then password here. Password I will leave blank. I'll leave blank. Then localhost db host is localhost, so it is localhost. Okay, then I'll save this file as in the same folder. I'll save that file as what? As the web configure. So web configure, click that. I've saved web configure. So web configure, then I'll delete that. So the extension of the web configure, it is PHP. So PHP, that is the language that we're dealing with, PHP, under the database. So you've seen that I've already configured that. So I'll go now to the web browser. I'll go direct to the web browser and type localhost, then slash, then I'll paste WordPress, then I'll click. Okay, as we are waiting for this, let's wait to see the configured file. You've seen it has loaded now. Welcome. So I will install. My site will be Press Academy. So I'll make it Press Academy Business. Press Academy Business. Press Academy Business. So username, I'll put an username that is Sam. Then password, I'll just put any, like RTY. No, let's see, just put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, password is 56. So weak. So let's confirm the weak password. So I'll use SumTaker as the email. Then discourage search engines from indexing this site, because it is for the local server, for the build only, the local server. Okay, so since it is loading, so let's wait. Then to take us to the dashboard, the WordPress panel. Okay, no, I'll save, or I can save. Okay, so now log into. Now what am I going to log? This is the password, so I can click remember me. Okay, so now this is the dashboard of Press Academy. So I will dismiss this. So now, since if I don't want this, so we can check now. We can check how it's looking on post. So go from post first. Go on post first. Then we've seen this hello world. Lord, we'll click on that hello world, or click on edit hello world. Click on hello world. Out. So that's where we'll see this. So we can edit this and then put something else in here. So now I'll type welcome. My website. Then I'll update. Then I'll do the post. Okay, now welcome to our website. So this is how it is. So I've not yet edited. So go back to the dashboard. Show another thing. So this is posts, media, library, and add new pages. All pages, add new comments. Here it's appearance. Okay, here plugins. Okay, here is users, tools, settings, column. So if I don't want to do these other things here, I'll come here on the screen. Then I'll check this. I'll check. Then I'll stay. So I'll remove this thing. Okay. So when we test the website, to open it, you see how it is loading. So this is a Press Academy Business. So a sample page. So you can go to the page now. Welcome to my website. So anything like that. Okay, this is an example page. It's different from a blogger post because it will stay in one. So Thank you. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. As you can see, this is the yes tutorial. So then see you in the next tutorial that I'll be showing you how to install XAMPP, how to download the Wampserver and XAMPP, even MAMP. Okay, even I'll be showing you how to create the application for APKs for Android phones and other mobile phones. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel for more tutorials. Okay, thank you.